回到我们节目，相信各位男性观众朋友呢，最注重的地方就是手臂啦。那今天 Steven 也不例外，赶快来看看他接受的挑战如何呢？
We're doing a fitness web show. Can I ask you some questions?
Sure. What is this about?
It's an interview about your workout routine.
Okay.
What are you doing now?
I'm just gardening, trying to plant my tree.
You must work out your arms a lot, right?
No, not really, but I wish I did work out my triceps more.
Do you go to gym sometimes?
I don't actually.
Have you ever tried any online workout videos that you can work out your triceps?
No, I haven't. I'm not sure they work or not.
We might have a very good challenge for you. We will select a short online workout videos and targeting on your triceps. You can learn it today and practice at home for the next 2 weeks. After that, you come back and we check the result. What do you think?
So you said it's a challenge. What's my reward?
You get bigger arms.
Okay, I guess I'll do it.
Workout lasts only about 5 minutes. Try your best to keep up. Are you ready?
I think so.
If it's too hard, you can rest.
Oh yeah, super hard.
Just try your best. It's okay.
I guess I should have had cheesecake yesterday.
Do you feel the muscle working?
I do. Getting very sore and hard.
Are you going to give up?
No, I have to finish this, right? 5 minutes.
Do you feel the burn?
Yeah. I feel the burn in my elbows too. Joints.
Are you still breathing?
Yeah, trying to.
Almost done.
Oh my god. Yeah. No. I think it's...
You give up?
Yeah. I think I'm done.
What's your thought about this workout?
It's super hard.
Which move do you think is the hardest?
Probably the first one, I would say. The one that you had the body skull crushers. Yeah,
Why?
well, you had to put your hands in a fist and you had to do a push-up doing that.
You think you can do this every day in the next 2 weeks?
I'm gonna try.
Okay, I'll see you in 2 weeks.
Okay, see you in 2 weeks.
Hello, welcome back.
Thank you.
How are you doing so far?
I'm doing alright.
What do you think about this workout video?
Yeah, it's just okay. I don't know, it was a little difficult, challenging.
So tell me a little bit about your diet for the past 2 weeks.
Didn't change, I just ate the same stuff I usually eat. Some fried stuff, pizza, burgers, you know.
Okay.
Sometimes home cooked meals.
So did you actually do the workout every day for 2 weeks?
No, I didn't.
How many times you did?
About 3 times.
Okay, are you excited to see the result?
Not really.
Alright, let's check the result. It seems like there's not much difference.
Oh, really?
Do you think you'll keep doing this workout?
Probably not. Doesn't seem that interesting.
Okay, thank you for participating in our show.
All right, thank you so much.